This is a quick review of the trade which I took on the 24th of November 2022. The currency pair which we're going to be reanalyzing is EURGBP. I'll be going through my thought processes, my analysis, and the reasons behind why I took this trade. So let's do this. So first of all, we are on daily time frame. My higher time frame analysis does not go higher than the day because I am an intraday trader. So on the daily time frame, I can see that the previous day fully engulfed the day before, and not just that it fully engulfed it, it actually closed below the previous day low. So right there we have our level of resistance right there on the daily time frame. Now I drop down to 1H time frame. On 1H time frame, this is how the chart looks. I turn on my Asia session indicator just like so. I live in London, so I trade the London session. So I am on the charts by approximately 6 a.m. This is how the chart was looking. I can already see the most important thing on the chart for me at this point is I am looking at this strong impulsive move. This strong impulsive move means that the bears strongly push the price to the downside. Okay, and also they broke this level right there. So this is a very important level. This supply zone is actually a breaker block. What tends to happen is that when the price drops down impulsively, like in this example right here, and there has been no pullback within the 1H time frame, okay, and this is actually a previous demand zone, this candle right here. This was our previous demand zone, and it actually was broken by this impulsive move. This now turned into a supply zone. This zone is going to affect whatever happens at this level. So this is our breaker block. Going to mark it like so. This candle is going to play a crucial role in what happens within the London session. This grey box is our Asia session. Okay. Now, what I was looking for during the London session was a liquidity grab of the Asia high, which is also called a stop hunt. So this yellow oval is where the Asia session buy side liquidity is. Okay. So what does that mean? It just means that people and algorithms and institutions and small banks are placing their stop losses like that in anticipation for the price to actually go to the downside. But what does the market do? The market actually wicks above this level. The market actually wicks above this level. Then once the price goes above this level, it grabs the liquidity. Then I will be anticipating for there to be a structure break, retest of the origin candle, and then my take profit is going to be the yesterday's low, just like so. And I'll wait for all these things to happen on 15M time frame. Here we are. Okay, so right here we have a wick. It was a liquidity grab. So this red line over here, this wick, this pin bar is actually a liquidity grab. This liquidity grab actually happened within, remember, this right here is the 1H breaker block. So we went from daily to 1H. Now we're on 15M. This area right here is our 1H time frame order block. It's our 1H time frame breaker block. So now that we had this move to the upside, we have to identify where is the structure break going to be. Now, how do you draw properly your structure breaks? Real quick, I'm going to draw a quick diagram. So we have, just imagine these are our three candles, like that and like this. Okay, what characterizes a swing low is that the two candlesticks above it are higher than the middle candle. So this right here, this level over here, is going to be a swing low. So once the price actually goes below this swing, just like so, and closes below this swing, that is what I classify as a proper structure break, change of character, or break of structure, depending on where you are in the market. And then we are going to wait for a retest and then wait for the price to move to the downside. So that's what we are waiting for to happen here. This is that swing low. So this is that swing low, which has two candles above it. So I'm waiting for the price to close below this blue line and then retest this pin bar candle. Once it does, I'm going to place my stop above this candlestick, and I'm going to aim right to this level. So let's just see how that plays out. So that right there, that is not a structure break. The candlestick body has to close below the low of this wick. So there we have it. That right there is an official structure break. That is a break of structure. So now I have to identify the origin candle, the supply zone. This is it. I'm waiting for the price to retest this level, and then once again hold it till it reaches yesterday's low. At this point, I am already placing my sell limit. A sell limit is a type of order that you enter within MetaTrader or CTrader, whatever platform you have, or even Tradingview. You place a sell limit. A sell limit means that as soon as the price touches this area, we are going to be live in the market, live and direct. So take profit would have been this section over here. Now, why am I aiming for this to be the take profit? Because as I've been backtesting for many months, I have realized that whenever there's a solid true stop hunt, a true stop hunt is usually going to reach the previous day low minimum. So the first target is obviously going to be the Asia low, and the second target is going to be the daily low. So right there, you can see that with this candle, we were triggered into the market. This is the candle that took me into the market. Stop loss right here. And let's see how it played out. We had another trigger into this supply zone right here. First one, second one. And the price reached take profit within 8:30 to 10:30. So that was 2 hours. In 2 hours, that was 14%. So this is how I analyzed and entered EURGBP on the 24th of November 2022. If I can do it, you can do it too. You just need to know the processes, understand the market, understand liquidity, understand the motivations behind why the market moves the way it moves. So shout out to all the new subscribers. Keep watching all the videos. I appreciate all the support, all the comments. I'm here to help everyone out, give everybody advice. I'm currently creating a course. If anybody is interested in joining the course, buying the course, or in one-on-one mentorship, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, guys.